Front Beach Road traffic updates on March 2nd at 12:15. Here we go. Haven't seen a worker yet. I hate doing this while driving, but oh well. And watch, we're sitting at this light, okay? That's what I was talking about. Watch when this light turns green. You get an arrow on both sides. And nobody can use it unless you're the first car. Creating all kinds of traffic. Oh no, they fixed it. Huh. I guess they finally listened to me. Well, how about that? Oh look, we do have some workers. Unbelievable. Four people. Okay, they're actually working today. I guess the standard is, you know, not a cloud in the sky. It's the only time they can work. Well, that's good to know. First time all week I've seen anybody out here. Well, there's your Front Beach traffic report. Good day.